Good morning, 早安. Welcome to Morning Mandarin. You might already know how to say thank you in Mandarin, but we can express gratitude in so many other ways. The most common way to say thanks is 谢谢. Remember, the second 谢 is in a neutral tone, so try to read it lightly. 谢谢,谢谢. You can use it alone by just saying 谢谢, or add more information after 谢谢. For instance, add the person you want to thank. 谢谢你. Thank you. 谢谢你. 谢谢你. When talking to your elder family members, superiors, or strangers, it will be inappropriate to call them 你. So you can say 谢谢您. 您 is the honorific or polite form for you. 您好,您好. 谢谢您, 谢谢您. Other than 你 or 您, the person after 谢谢 can also be an identity, like thanks mom, 谢谢妈妈, 谢谢妈妈. Thank you teacher, 谢谢老师, 谢谢老师. Besides person, you can also add the matter you want to thank for. Thank you for helping me. 谢谢你帮我. 帮 means help. 谢谢你帮我. Thank you for coming. 谢谢你来. 来 means come. 谢谢你来. 谢谢你来. One synonym for 谢谢 is 感谢. 感谢 is more formal than 谢谢, so it is more commonly used in written language or on formal occasions. 感谢 also implies a higher level of gratitude. Just like 谢谢, you can say 感谢, 感谢你, or 感谢您. Some common ways to use 感谢 are 非常感谢, thank you very much. 非常 very. 非常感谢, 非常感谢. 万分感谢, extremely grateful. 万分 literally means 10,000 times. 10,000 times of thanks. 万分感谢, 万分感谢. In a less formal situation, when you don't want to make it a big deal, 多谢 works great. 多 means many, so 多谢 stands for many thanks. Thanks a lot. 多谢, 多谢. Alright, now you know so many ways to say thank you. How do you say you're welcome? It can be 不客气 or 不用谢. 客气, polite or courteous. Don't be polite. You're welcome. 不客气, 不客气. 不用谢, 不用, no need. No need to thank me. 不用谢, 不用谢. Oof, feels like countless thanks. Let's review. 谢谢, 谢谢你, 谢谢您, 谢谢妈妈, 谢谢老师, 谢谢你帮我, 谢谢你来, 非常感谢, 万分感谢, 多谢, 不用谢, 不客气. That's all for today. See you next morning.